Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the Moonfish in Heartopia. You will need to be level 9 of the fishing hobby, and you'll need to start the fishing event in the game, of course. So basically, you can catch it at dusk time, which is from 6 p.m. till 12, and then from 12 to 6 a.m. And it appears when it's sunny, rainbow, or rainy, so any weather. But I was fishing personally when it was raining, so maybe there's a higher chance of you getting it. I don't know. But as you can see, I got it on my first try. I did use the mermaid perfume as well as the mermaid attractor to make things easier. And the shadow of the fish is a gold one, so keep that in mind. But that is how you can catch the moonfish. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!